Hey everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis. And today is cold. Put it mildly. We've been having really great weather and got a lot done this past week. Up-potted almost 200 tomato and pepper plants and flowers. And got the greenhouse planted. But tonight it's supposed to get down to 16. So it's time to cover this stuff up once more and just let you see how it's doing. The greenhouse is really doing quite well. We've got plenty of lettuce. Now this lettuce was planted back in December, so it's doing really well. We have the kale that was also planted in December, spinach that was, and lettuce that was planted in January, and the cauliflower and the beets. So this stuff all has to be covered. Now what I did plant this past week has been some turnips and some broccoli rabe and radishes and carrots and peas, but they have not come up yet, which is a good thing. It looks like I've got a little bit of the radishes just starting to come up over there. So we're going to cover this all up and leave it covered tonight, all day tomorrow, because it's supposed to be cold tomorrow, and then we won't be removing it until Sunday, because that's when the temperature is going to come back up. So we're going to cover this up, and hopefully we'll be able to save it through the winter. The experiment with the peppers, they didn't make it. So we'll be taking these out and replace them with the peppers that I have upstairs. So anyway, we're going to get busy and cover this. Find a yardstick or a stick really helps in covering this stuff up. That one's just about had it. Over the celery. Huh? Over the celery right there.
Right here?
Mm-hmm. That little celery. That's fine.
Huh?
That's fine. Those are onions, those garlic. In fact, some people plant garlic outside all winter long. I will. It's this part that goes over here. See, there's nothing there, so it doesn't matter there. All right.
You got one left over.
That was for the that they didn't come up yet, so I don't really need it.
Oh, what's this?
That's kale. Kale doesn't matter, it'll be good all year. Okay. That's just a quick little one. And hopefully we will not get the cold weather, but we do have snowing right now. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you would. Subscribe to the channel. And remember, dream big, follow that dream. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.